Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sarah and Bonafe's Inspirations. And welcome to day 4 of our IELTS 30 Days Challenge. If you have completed day 1, 2, and 3, you are making great progress. Today's lesson is about the IELTS writing test. Many students lose marks not because of poor English, but because they don't know the correct structure. In this lesson, you will learn the difference between task 1 and task 2, how each task is organized, how much time you spend, simple tips to improve your writing score. So, let's begin. Let's start with the question, what is the IELTS writing test? The writing section lasts 60 minutes. It has two tasks, task 1 and task 2. You must complete both tasks. Task 2 carries more marks than task 1. Next one important topic we are covering that academic and general training writing. If you are taking the academic IELTS, task 1 is different from the general test. Academics includes charts, graphs, tables, maps, and processes. And general training writing includes formal letters, semi formal letters, informal letters. Task 2 is an easy for both tests. Now let's learn about the structure of writing. First, we will talk about task 1. A good structure is introduction. Introduction consists of paraphrase the question, then overview. Write the main trend or main idea, then body or paragraph 1. Explain important detail. Body paragraph 2. Compare or describe the remaining detail. Do not copy the question. Write in your own words. Now let's learn task 2 structure. Spend about 40 minutes in task 2. Task 2 is an easy. A simple structure includes introduction. Introduce the topic. Give your opinion if required. Then body paragraph 1. Explain your first idea. Then give an example. Next is body paragraph 2. Explain another idea. Support it with an example. And at last, give a conclusion. Summarize your main points. In writing tasks, the main important thing is time management. Remember the simple rule, 20 minutes task 1, 40 minutes task 2. Many students spend too much time on task 1 and rush through task 2. Avoid this mistake. Now, here I am sharing the useful tips for a higher band score. Use clear paragraph. Answer every part of the question. Support your ideas with examples. Avoid memorized essays. Check your grammar and spelling. Write neatly if taking the paper based test. Now let's summarize today's lesson. Today we learn writing test format, task 1 structure, task 2 structure, time management, tips for success. Now it's time for assigning you homework. Your homework is simple as previous. Choose one topic below. Academic, describe a simple bar chart. are general. Write a letter to a friend inviting them to visit your city. Then write a short essay on should students use mobile phone in the classroom. Try writing for 60 minutes using today's structure. For academic writing homework, study the bar chart and write at least 150 words describing the information. And in IELTS journal, write a letter. The word limit is same 150 words. For task 2, the word limit is 250 words. The essay topic, as I told earlier, should mobile phones be allowed in classroom? Give reason and opinion and example to support your answer. Here is academic writing bar chart. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you now understand how the IELTS writing test is organized. Don't forget to complete today's worksheet before watching day 5. If this lesson helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Sarah and Bonafe's Inspiration. I will see you tomorrow for day 5, where we will learn IELTS speaking. Part 1, 2, and 3 will be explained in the lesson. Happy learning and God bless you.